So we're going today to the vet to go see what gender my Quakers are. Jade, Margarita, Pikachu, and Pepper. What the fuck was I thinking when I was like, oh yeah, an 8:30 appointment is fine. I would have loved to sleep in. So next time, a note to my freaking self. Let's do a later appointment, especially because after that, I literally have to do nothing. Maybe I might go to the gym. I haven't been feeling the gym lately, but we'll see. 8:30 is crazy, but let me go put these birds in the cage. Here are the ones that are going. I know they're probably. Oh, why is Pepper? Oh, I'm not gonna turn on the light because they're very hard to catch. I don't know why they're acting. I don't know why Pepper is acting like she's never been in a carrier before. Pikachu has, I think, one time. Jade definitely has. And Margarita has not. Oh, wait, that's Jade. This is Margarita. Oh, Jesus. Understand why she's acting like she's never been in a car. Yes, you. I don't know which one it is. And then there's Pikachu and Pepper in the back. Say something. You had all this to say, and now you want to be quiet. Huh? Not Margarita. Just hanging on. Yeah. It says I'm gonna get there at 8:31. I'm trying to make it by 8:30. 8:20. Hey, it's Jessica. I was just calling to find out your friend had dropped more. They didn't know if you gave that one or not yet this month. Oh, okay. Yeah, her phone's in the back, so okay, I'll let her know. Thank you. All right, bye. Now they're quiet as a mouse. No noise from them. And then my other kids are back there. I wasn't gonna record them getting their blood drawn, you know. HIPAA. Yes. Oh, my poor babies got stuck on their neck. They don't even want to look at me. You upset? Nothing they wanted to look at me. I am dead. But I get the results in a couple of days. So if you want to know what gender they are, I'm thinking Jade is a boy, Marguerite is a girl. I'm thinking Pepper's a girl, and then Pikachu is a boy. But we'll see how right I am. And then my uncle said that he thinks all four are girls. And he's a breeder, so we'll see.